Hi everyone and welcome to Abhishek's kitchen. Today we are going to make Swiss Meringue Buttercream. So let's get started.
Ingredients. The ingredients mentioned in this recipe are for 4 batches of buttercream. You can reduce the ingredients to 1/4 to make 1 batch. 1 batch is enough to cover a 2-layer 8-inch cake. For this, we need 24 egg whites, 1.2 kg of sugar, 1350 grams of unsalted butter, 1 teaspoon salt and 8 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Now for the recipe. In a stand mixer bowl, add egg whites and sugar and mix. Place this on top of a pan of boiling water. Make sure that the bowl does not touch the water surface. Once the mixture has become a little warm, start whisking. Whisking is important as we don't want the eggs to form an omelet. You don't have to mix a lot as we don't want to incorporate any air into the mixture. Just scrape everything from the sides and bottom. Keep on whisking until you get a temperature of 75 degrees Celsius. If you don't have a thermometer, you can just put your finger in the mixture, and when it feels hot or you just want to remove it immediately, then that's the point when you have to remove the bowl from the pan. Immediately place this bowl on a stand mixer with this attachment and mix on medium high speed for 5 to 10 minutes. Once you see medium peaks in the mixture and the bowl has completely cooled down, stop whisking. Don't go beyond soft peaks, otherwise it would be difficult to incorporate butter in this. I have removed half the mixture and will add half the butter in the remaining half. Turn the mixture to low speed and start incorporating butter piece by piece. Squish the butter before adding it to the mixture so that it incorporates in the mixture easily. Add the next piece of butter only after you can't see the first one. Once all the butter is incorporated, increase the speed to medium-high and continue whisking. After whisking for a while, you will observe that the mixture has curdled. Don't worry about it, just scrape the surface and continue whisking. It will all come together. After whisking for a while, you will observe a beautiful silky smooth buttercream. Now it's time to flavor the buttercream. Add salt and vanilla extract and this for another 2 minutes. See how silky, smooth and shiny our buttercream is. Transfer this to a bowl. Your Swiss Meringue Buttercream is ready to serve. Please read the description below on how to store the buttercream.
Thank you and namaste from my side. See you all in the next video.